Everyone is talking about Sora 2, the next-level AI video model that's breaking the internet. The problem is, it's locked behind an invite system that almost no one can access. People are searching everywhere for codes, waiting on endless lists, and still getting nothing. But what if I told you there's a way to use Sora 2 completely free and without any invite code at all? In this tutorial, I'll walk you step by step through a simple method that gives you unlimited access to Sora 2, so you can start generating high-quality videos right away. I'll also show you how to remove the watermark from your Sora 2 videos easily and make them look clean and professional. So if you've been waiting to finally use Sora 2 without restrictions, this is the video you've been looking for. Let's dive in. Alright, let's begin by launching your web browser. The first step, and arguably the most important, is to make sure your VPN is connected to a location in the United States. This is crucial for everything that follows. Personally, I recommend using NordVPN because it's incredibly reliable and has always provided a smooth and secure connection. If you want to take advantage of a special discount, you'll find the link conveniently placed in the description below. Once your VPN is connected to a US server, head over to the official Sora website. When you visit for the first time, it will prompt you to create an account. Start by entering your preferred username and then click on Next. Here's where most people get stuck. The page will ask for an invite code. That's the major hurdle preventing many users from getting in. But don't worry, because I'm going to show you a simple way to bypass this requirement entirely. The method I'm about to walk you through doesn't need any invite code at all, and it allows you to create unlimited videos using Sora 2 completely free. To begin, open a new tab and search for Mind Video AI on Google. This platform provides full, unrestricted access to Sora 2 at no cost. Once the search results appear, click the very first link to open its official website. As you explore the homepage, you'll notice several tools and options for video generation. Many of them are paid and operate on a credit-based system, but I'll guide you directly to the section where Sora 2 can be used freely. I'll also show you exactly how to remove the watermark from your Sora-generated videos so they look clean and professional. Now, scroll to the top of the page and locate the Login for Free button on the right-hand side. Click on it, and then sign in using your Google account. This will take you straight into the main dashboard where the real magic begins. Once you log in, you'll immediately notice a pop-up that proudly says, Sora 2 is live and completely free. This message comes directly from the site itself, confirming that the model is active, available, and costs absolutely nothing to use. Let's close the pop-up and begin. On the left-hand side of your screen, you'll see a menu. Find and click on Text to Video, which will take you to the main generation page. Here, you'll find a drop-down menu that lets you select the model you want to use. When you open it, you'll see a long list of available models, each with its own credit cost. But look closely at the one labeled Sora 2 Free Beta. Unlike the others, this one shows 0 credits, meaning it's completely free and unlimited. Let's test it out. I'll type a simple video prompt, just like you would on any standard video generator. Once the prompt is ready, I'll hit the Create button. The task gets processed instantly, and in a few moments, the video begins to generate. And just like that, the video is done. Let's play it so you can see it was actually created using the Sora model. Perfect. The video was generated successfully, and you can see the Sora watermark in the corner. Now let's try another example.
I'll enter a new prompt to create a short clip of Sam Altman using the cameo idea. I've added his username, and now I'll start the generation. Sometimes it shows an error. Don't worry if this happens. It's completely normal and occasionally occurs during processing. If you see this, simply click the Rerun button at the top. I didn't change anything in the prompt. I just clicked Rerun, and the video finished perfectly. Let's play it. Impressive, right? Let's try one last prompt. I will paste it and click the Create button. Now, let's preview this once more. Again, the watermark in the corner confirms this was made using Sora 2. But now, let's take it a step further and remove that watermark completely so you can have a clean, professional video. To do this, open a new browser tab and search for Magic Eraser. Click on the first link, which should be magiceraser.org. Once the website loads, you'll see that it offers a wide range of tools, not only for videos, but also for removing unwanted objects from photos. It's a powerful, completely free, and unlimited platform. From the top menu, navigate to Video Tools and select Video Watermark Remover. Then, upload your Sora-generated video. Once it's loaded into the editor, the process is straightforward. Use the Selection tool to draw a box over the watermark area. Play the video for a few seconds to see if the watermark changes position. If it moves, simply pause and draw a new box over the new area. Repeat this until you've marked every spot where the watermark appears. Now that all the positions are selected, click on the Remove Now button. The tool will begin processing, and in just a few moments, you'll see the result. The watermark disappears completely, leaving your video clean and professional. Let's play it again so you can see the result.
Really quiet out here. The puddles still carry the storm with them. You can smell the metal and the sea in the air. Half of the tower is just gone, and yet the sun keeps climbing.
As you can see, the watermark is entirely gone. The tool handled it perfectly, giving you a flawless, watermark-free video. Once you're happy with the result, click Download to save it to your device. And that's it. You've just learned how to use Sora 2 for free, generate unlimited videos, and remove the watermark easily. This method gives you full access to Sora 2's power without any invite code or limitations. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to drop a like and subscribe to the channel. It really supports the work we do and helps us bring you more secret methods and powerful AI guides just like this one. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.